All right. Good morning to everyone. Children, are you ready with your copies? Yes,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
ready? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
You remember we played a game in our last class?
Ma'am,
We
which
played
class?
English comprehension. It's your English comprehension class. In the last class, we played a game. We made many words out of a big word. Right? Yes? So we are going to play the same game today.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, what is the game? I'll join late, so
Wait. I'm going to tell you what game it is.
okay, ma'am.
The game is that I'm going to give you a big word. Okay? Children, is my internet fine or is my video taking a pause in between?
Ma'am, your internet is fine. Ma'am, not fine.
Not fine. Yes, I can also see that it's not fine. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Not fine.
Yes, okay. So let me just try once again. I have changed some settings. Now is it fine? Now is my
Yes,
voice
ma'am, now
clear?
it is fine.
Yes, ma'am. Not fine.
Okay, so what the game is, from a big word, I'm going to give you a big word. Okay? From that big word, you are supposed to make many small words, as many as you can make. This is called what? This is called a word game. All right?
Ma'am, from the given alphabets in the word.
Yes, yes. From that word, whatever alphabets are there, with the help of those alphabets, you have to frame new words. And you cannot add any alphabet, you cannot add any letter on your own. If suppose there is one A in the word, you will also include only one A in all your words. Okay? You can't make double A in your any word. Is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now can
Like this, there is a we can put it in between and the word F. If there is F also, we can put it
yes, yes, yes.
before.
Yes.
Ma'am, I cannot understand.
You cannot understand.
No, ma'am.
Rishabh, but you played last time also. Have you forgotten?
We are having comprehension to
No, ma'am. I'm having my breakfast, ma'am.
Listen. Suppose,
I
okay,
cannot understand what you are saying.
suppose the word is India. Okay? From India, you have to make, what is the spelling of India? Let's just check. Okay, I'm writing in
And
the chat box. Wait,
INDIA.
I am writing in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
INDIA. Now the word is
India.
It is a very small word, children. Just to give an example. Now, can you frame this word A-N-D? Can you frame this word from it? A-N-D and. Can you frame another word? And. Can you frame another word? In. Huh? These all different words can be framed. Small words.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is what you have to do. Now I'm going to give you a very big word, and from that word you have to frame many small words. Okay?
I don't understand. Type in chat box.
No, you don't have to type in chat box. You have to do it in your copies. You have
And
to
ma'am,
do.
we have to write heading also.
Yes,
Heading.
you have.
Ma'am, please tell the word name.
I'm telling you which word I'm going to give you.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Beta, why don't you understand? Okay, listen to me. If suppose there is a very big word, let's say this big word is, give me any example. Computer. Okay, the word is computer. Now from this word computer, you have to make many small words. Which can those words be? Let's see what are the spellings of computer first. See, I have typed in the chat box. Nobody is going to type in the chat box. Nobody. Everybody just look into your chat box and I am going to type there. Suppose the word is computer. Now from that computer word, we have to pick out, we have to think what small words can we make. So one word is come, C-O-M-E, come. Can we make come from there? Yes, we can make. Then we can make pot because we have, see, we have P in computer, we have
Then
O
we
in
have
computer.
to write the word.
Yes, you have to write the words. Then we can also put, we can make this word put, P-U-T, put, right? Then we can also make top. Okay, then let's think of more words. We can also make. Agrita, if you don't understand better, please take somebody's help at your place. Is there anybody around you? Your mother or your father?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ask them what we are supposed to do.
Beauty cutter.
Okay,
Beauty cutter.
we have to make small words from a big word. Now suppose computer is just a example that I gave you.
Ma'am, what is the
Yes,
heading?
Arhan, very good. Another word is mop. Then one more word from Zoom Meet only. Mute, M-U-T-E. I keep telling you, mute yourself, unmute yourself. So mute can also be formed from computer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now ready to play?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I give you a big word?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
what is the heading?
heading is the word game. Write down the heading, the word game.
Ma'am, I have to write in a footbook.
Comprehension. You have to write in comprehension copy. The word game. Put today's date. 11 December.
Ma'am, what is the big?
Okay, today your big word is, and children, it is such a big word that you will make many words. The word is in the chat box. Comprehension. Comprehension. The heading is the word game. Then Write down the big word comprehension and start making small words. What is the spelling of comprehension? COMPREHENSION. Comprehension. It is a very easy word and I'm sure you will be able to make many words out of it. Start making.
So what we will make? Ma'am, what we will make?
Beta, you will make small words from this big word. It is just a brain game. In class 3, till class 3, you have learned so many words. So how many words, let me see, you can make from this big word comprehension?
Ma'am, everybody is typing in the chat box.
No one has to type in the chat box. I'm going to throw you out from this meeting, children. If I now see anybody typing in the chat box.
In the book has a brain game.
I'm just telling you that you have to use your brain. You have to use it. So it's a brain game. Again, Anmol, you don't understand that you don't have to type in the chat box?
Ma'am, which class is this?
Beta, what is the time of the class? First tell me this. What time are you supposed to join the class? You are supposed to join the class at 8:55.
This is the comprehension class.
You are joining the class 18 minutes late. I have already explained what we have to do.
Ma'am, I will write it. This is a comprehension brain game. In the book.
It is a comprehension class going on. It is your English comprehension class. You received today's timetable, no? In your class? Yesterday you received it?
Ma'am, I have made only.
Adhya Singh, what you have to do is, you have to make small words from the big word comprehension.
Ma'am, please explain.
What is the spelling of comprehension? See, I have written in the chat box. Can you see? I will type it again. Wait. Comprehension. Now from this big word comprehension, you have to make many small words, as many as you can. Okay?
I'm in notebook.
Yes, in your notebook, beta. In your English comprehension copy.
Ma'am, rough notebook na?
Okay, make it in rough notebook. You don't have your English comprehension copy? Don't you have?
No, ma'am.
Why? Have you not made? Do it in a rough right now. Do it in your rough copy.
Ma'am, I'll make 10 words.
Very nice. Now, be quiet everyone for at least 5 minutes and concentrate on your work. You can make many words. 10 are very less.
Ma'am, please tell next word.
No, beta. How can I tell next word? There are so many words that you can make. How many have you made?
I'm 10.
Beta, I'm telling you, 10 is very less. Try to make at least 20 words. Each one of
Ma'am,
you will make
Anmol,
at least 20 words.
Ma'am, Anmol Singh is typing in the chat box.
Anmol Singh? Who is Anmol Singh? Let me see. Just open your camera, Anmol Singh. I want to see your face.
Ma'am, he can send the answer, but he is not sending personally.
No, but why
Ma'am,
can
हमें
he send? When I told you to write it in the book, in your copies, then why to send the answer here?
मैम हम लोग को रफ नोटबुक में ऐसे हेडिंग में ब्रेन गेम डालना है, फिर फर्स्ट सेकंड ऐसे ऐसे करके वर्ड्स लिखने हैं.
फिर उसके बाद आपको लिखना है वर्ड गेम, ठीक है? फिर under that you have to write this word comprehension, and under this word comprehension start making small words. Okay?
Spelling you are there. You are here.
What?
And comprehension.
Yes.
Spelling you are here. You.
Y-O-U.
No. You.
Simple U.
Ah.
But there is no U in comprehension. It's S-I-O-N in the end. What are you asking? That U? I don't understand, beta.
Then कहीं भी यू नहीं
Say
है.
it in Hindi. Say it in Hindi.
स्पेलिंग में कहीं भी यू नहीं है. और मैम जो चैट बॉक्स में लिख रहा है SUN
हमें बिग गेम लिखना है.
गलत है.
When one person is talking already, why are others speaking in between? I am listening to her, no? Yes, beta.
मैम सब SUN सन लिख रहे हैं और भी कुछ लिख रहे हैं, पर मैम स्पेलिंग में यू नहीं है, तो उनसे कभी कट कर
Ah,
दीजिए.
so these are wrong. What he is writing? Yes. I don't know why he's sending here.
Ma'am, it is.
Yes,
Please tell
Ashray.
me.
Ashray, you can make this word. It's a good word. What?
There is no A in comprehension. She is.
Beta, please look into your own work. All of you, please look into your own work. Don't see what others are sending. Okay? Do your own work. Yes.
Ma'am, I have made 23 words.
Very nice, Akshada. Very good. Let's see if more can be made. Gauri Gangwar, you are in the class from the beginning. You did not join late also. There is no page number, beta. There is no page number. We are doing this activity on our own.
Ma'am, like this we will write.
I can't see anything, Unsha.
हमें हेडिंग में ये डालना है ब्रेन बिग वर्ड गेम कॉम्प्रिहेंशन.
The heading is word game. Okay, word game. I will type in the chat box, children. Those who cannot understand this thing, please write from there.
Now make 21 words.
Word game is the heading. Then Under that, you have to write this word comprehension. And then under comprehension, start making small words.
Now I made 21 words.
Very nice, very nice. How many 5-letter words have you made? Has anybody made 5-letter word? Any word that has 5 letters? Has anybody
Yes,
made?
ma'am.
Okay, Shaurya
Yes,
Tyagi.
ma'am. I made Moksha Mishra.
Ma'am,
I made 10. Five.
Everybody wants to speak,
Ma'am, I
but
made.
children are not concerned as to who the teacher is talking to. I asked children, all of you be quiet now. I am asking only Shaurya Tyagi. Let me speak, let me talk to one person, don't speak in between.
यूनिवर्सिटी होता कंप्यूटर बन जाता.
Yes, Shaurya, which is that 5-letter word that you have made?
Ma'am, prize.
Very nice. Any other 5-letter word anyone has made? 5-letter, a word that
Ma'am,
has
I
got
made
5.
Mokshan Mishra.
Shh, okay.
Ma'am, I made
Moksha, tell, which is the word?
Ma'am, Rhino. RIHNO.
RHINO. Rhino. Very nice, beta. Yes, Akshada.
Ma'am, I made.
Wait,
Ma'am, I
Akshada,
made.
what is your
Ma'am, I
5-letter
made.
word?
I have made prose.
Prose.
I made.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Prose.
ma'am, noise. Ma'am, I made.
All
Ma'am,
right.
I made fool.
Just
Ma'am, I
Reena.
made fool.
Okay. Just Reena, fuel is just a 4-letter word. Yatharth, you tell which word you have made.
Ma'am, prison.
Huh?
Prison.
Oh, very nice. Such a good word. Prison. Yes. Who else?
Ma'am,
I am only talking to Yatharth.
I also
I am only talking to Yatharth. Who am I talking to? I am talking to Yatharth only. So everybody has to be quiet. Yes, Panchal Mishra, very good. See, children, he has raised his hand because he wants to speak something. Nobody will speak like that. Whosoever wants to speak, just raise your hand. Yes, Yatharth, which is the other word you were telling?
reason.
No, how can you make better reason? Comprehension does not have A, no. There is no A in comprehension. But reason,
RESON.
no. This is nothing. Reason is no word. Okay. God, who is making noise? Children, you don't know how to sit in a Zoom class.
Ma'am, I have made the 5-letter
Everybody
word.
mute yourself. Mokshit, did I ask you to speak? Everybody mute yourself. Who is not muted? Okay. Panchul Mishra, you tell which word have you made?
ma'am, microphones.
Microphone. Micro is one word. Okay, and phone is another. Very nice. Very good, beta. Very nice. Then Kanav, which word have you made?
Ma'am, noise.
Very nice. Very good. Akhya Goyal, put your hand down, children. Akhya Goyal, what is your 5-letter word?
Ma'am, spoon.
SP, comprehension. Beta, spoon has got, yes, double O. Very nice. Spoon. Very good word. Then this boy was raising his hand. Where is he? Rishabh. What is your 5-letter word?
Ma'am, I make nation and phone.
Beta, phone is okay, but how can you make nation? Comprehension, can you see any T in the word comprehension? Nation is wrong.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Gauri Gangwar.
Ma'am, I make prize. Ma'am, digit.
Digit. Beta, it does not have any G, it does not have D, it does not have T. Where has this digit come from?
Ma'am, we can make Chrome.
Chrome. Chrome. Chrome. Very nice. That's a 6-letter
Ma'am, can
word.
I
Very
tell?
good, Ashray. Very good. Samarth,
Ma'am,
tell
can I
me.
tell someone?
Samarth, yes, tell.
Poison, promise, and pension.
Very good. Very nice. Have you made it yourself or you have seen it somewhere?
already in my first
No,
number.
ma'am, I have made it.
You have made it. Very nice.
Ma'am.
Now, who wants to speak? Samarth, lower your hand. Then let me see.
Ma'am, I.
Arkan Noor. Okay, tell. Arkan, you tell.
Ma'am, poison.
Very good. Yuvraj Gupta, tell.
Ma'am, phone.
Phone. Okay, Unsha, tell.
Ma'am, desert.
Desert. बेटा डेजर्ट कैसे बनेगा? कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में डी है कहीं? टी है? There is no D, there is no T. How can you make desert from comprehension? Okay, Agrita Bhardwaj, you tell. Noise, yes, very nice. Very good word. Noise.
Asian. Ma'am,
A-
Asian.
Asian, does it have A comprehension? Can you see? There is any A there?
Ma'am, I have already written the chrome and noise on my first and second number.
No, ma'am.
What no, ma'am?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very nice, Vedanshu. Very good. Anybody else who has made any 6-letter or 5-letter word? Any different word from noise, poison, phone?
Ma'am, Pancho Mishra.
Panchul Mishra, yes, tell your word.
Ma'am, recipe.
Very nice. Very nice. Very good, Panchul. Then any other word? Kunal, yes, tell beta.
Ma'am, C-U-M-E, come.
C.
C.
What is the spelling of C, Kunal?
Ma'am, C.
Tell the spelling.
S-H-E-E-P.
Sheep. Okay, sheep. Very nice. Very good.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Ship. Ship is a 4-letter word.
Ma'am, soft.
S-F-T. Beta, how can you make soft? Do we have F and T in that?
S-O.
No. Okay, Akshadha, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I have make person.
Person. P-E-R-S-O-N. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
can I tell?
Very nice.
Can I tell someone?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, Chrome.
Chrome, that has already been told. Now, any other new word anyone has made?
Ma'am, can I tell? Ma'am, poison.
Poison is already done. Very good.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ashray, Ashray, raise your hand. Ashray is raising his hand. Yes, tell.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
I won't make it. He on no I moon soon iron siren chrome coop hair.
Okay. Yes, Tuti Khandelwal, you say. Huh? Price. Very nice. P-R-I-C-E. Price. Very good.
Prize. Ma'am, prize. I am
Okay. There is one more. There is one more word like price that you can make. Hurry up, think and tell. Rhyming to price. Yes, tell.
Prince.
Prince. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. And promise. Very good. Promise is a very good word. Prime. Yes. It's prime that you can make.
Ma'am, I
Rice.
can tell.
Good,
I
good,
can
good.
tell.
Chowmein.
Peace.
Ma'am,
Peace. Yes, Vedanshu, peace. Who told me peace? Was that Vedanshu who told? Pratyaksh. All right. So see, Pratyaksh, when your camera is not on, it is difficult to figure out who is speaking. That is why I tell you children to keep your cameras on. Good children, good. Today you have played this game really very nicely. I'm very happy because you have made.
Can I tell my words?
Wait.
I have made a 5-letter word.
Which is that word? Tell me.
Crime.
I can tell.
Time.
Ma'am, I have 21 word.
Very nice.
Ma'am,
Shine. Good, good, good. Shine is a good word. Crime is a good word. Very nice.
No, ma'am.
What?
Shiny.
frog and lizard.
Crime.
Excuse me,
Crime is
ma'am.
a word, no? Or shine.
Word is crime.
Prime.
Ma'am.
Yes, prime.
Ma'am, frog and lizard.
I have made word
Lizard.
of
Shh. Everybody be quiet. Akshada Tiwari is saying that she has made 36 words. Yes. Which is another long word,
Ma'am,
Akshada,
frog
that you
and
have
lizard.
made?
Can I tell? Ma'am, I have made handstand. Ma'am, recipe.
Yes.
Friends.
Yes. Very good. Okay. Any different word? Any different word now?
26 word.
Ma'am, prehension.
Ma'am,
What is
26 word.
Gauri saying?
Prehension.
Prehension. What is prehension, Gauri?
Ma'am, frog and lizard.
Beta, frog and lizard. Where is frog and lizard?
Ma'am,
How can you make frog and lizard from this comprehension?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
No,
written
Ma'am,
lizard.
Ma'am, handsome means the act of holding. Ma'am, I make 6 words.
6 words.
Yes, ma'am, peahen.
Okay, you made a 6-letter word. But beta, how can you make peahen? What is the spelling of peahen? Tell me. P-E-A. So comprehension. In comprehension, do we have A anywhere? So it's wrong. You can't make peahen. Okay. So it was very nice. Now what else can we do? Okay, we are still left with 5 minutes. So let's just try to.
Large.
Yes.
Ma'am, sheep can be the word.
Yes, sheep
Ma'am,
was
large.
I
already
have
told.
made 24 words.
Very
And then
nice.
icon also. Icon.
Ma'am, large.
Large, ma'am. How can you make large? You don't have L, you don't have G, you don't have
A.
A. How can you make large? Better, you have still not understood the game. It is supposed to be played from the alphabets given in the word.
ma'am, I have made a 7-letter word.
What is that? Tell me.
Ma'am, empires.
Empires. Very nice. E-M-P-I-R-E-S. Very nice.
I have made 24.
Anyone else who has made
Ma'am,
Ma'am, she can be the word.
SHEEP. Yes, sheep is already there.
And she. SHE.
Yes, SHE, yes. Now 3-letter words, they are many. There are many
And
3-letter
ma'am,
words.
his also can be his
Shh. Shaurya Tyagi is raising his hand. Yes, Shaurya Tyagi.
Ma'am, compo.
Huh?
Compo.
Compo. What is compo?
Ma'am,
Okay.
moon.
Moon. Very good. What is Vedanshu Prakash wanting to say? Shh.
Ma'am, coin.
Very good. Coin is a good word. Very nice. Vedanshu Prakash, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I have write 25 words.
Beta, share your word. Any different word that you have made. Share that.
Ma'am, poison. Ma'am,
Phone. CONE.
Very nice. Phone. Very good.
I made 20 words. Ma'am, hide.
Poison.
Ma'am, I make sun.
It is sun, moon. These are small words that can be made. Okay, don't tell me 3-letter words. Let's talk about 4-letter
Poison. Horse.
Rice.
Horse. Who said horse?
Kanav.
Very nice, Kanav. Very good. Horse is a good word.
4 words. Kunal.
Okay, Akshada, tell what do you want to tell?
Ma'am,
Huh? Crispy. How can you make crispy? There is no Y.
Ma'am, can I tell 4-letter word? Ma'am, there is one I.
Okay, shh. Everybody be quiet. Manas Garg has not got a turn, any turn. Yes, Manas Garg, tell.
Ma'am, beautiful.
You have made beautiful. Can you make beautiful from comprehension? No, beta.
No, ma'am. But there is not B.
There is no B, there is no F, there is no T, there is no A, there is no U,
Ma'am, right.
L.
Ma'am,
F.
Okay, Manya, tell. Manya wants to speak something.
Ma'am, noon.
Huh?
Ma'am, noon.
Very nice, very good. Comprehension.
I have also write
Yes.
noon.
Noon.
Can I tell a word?
Yes, tell.
Economize.
Economize. Now, beta, who has told you this word?
Ma'am?
You have not made it on your own. Somebody has helped you.
ma'am, I make a word shoe.
Shoe. Very nice. Good. Very nice. Shoe.